In manufacturing, even the smallest issue can cause costly downtime. That's why having real-time visibility into your operation is crucial. With the MX controller, we've taken troubleshooting and optimization to the next level with two powerful tools. Think of System Recorder as the dashcam of your production line. It continuously captures all critical machine data. Everything from sensor readings to motor performance. Every cycle. If an issue occurs, you can rewind and analyze exactly what was happened before, during, and also after the event. No more guesswork or reproduction of the error. That's a thing of the past. Just clear, actionable insights. But sometimes data alone isn't enough. That's where Video Viewer comes in. It records live footage of your machine in action and syncs it with the system recorder data. Now you can visually confirm what was happening on the production line when an issue arose. Whether it's a mechanical misalignment, an unexpected stop, or an operator intervention. With System Recorder and Video Viewer, troubleshooting becomes faster and easier. You can diagnose problems in minutes instead of hours, reducing downtime, and even prevent future failures by analyzing trends in machine behavior. You have all the tools available, as if you were in front of the machine at the time the issue happened. Contact us today and learn how the MX controller and our factory automation ecosystem can help you build the future.